Let's take a look at this Yihai clip stapler. Again, a really interesting product that I haven't seen. Again, it costs around 170 rupees or around $3 or so. Again, these are the instructions on how to use it. It's quite a simple device. Let me open it. This is how the clip stapler looks. They have a few clips which you can load by opening this part. They have a few of them in already. Again, this is how the clip looks. Again, this seems like a better idea than staplers. Let me show you why. Slide it out like this. Again, it will pick one of them. Now just slide in. And hold quite a few papers quite tightly. It even works with few papers also. If you want to shuffle your papers, all you need to do is just pull it back, and it doesn't make any mess like a regular staplers. I can reuse this clip again. All I need to do is put it back in there. Show you once more how it works. Just push them forward, pull this back, select one of them, and just slide it over, and you can see from the front how it works. All it's doing is just opening the clip wider so that it can go over the papers, and once it comes out, it clamps onto them. Again, I'm quite surprised that this hasn't overtaken regular staplers. Also doesn't damage like a regular stapler. Quite nice. Check it out.